Hello, friends. Welcome to Easy English Listening Practice. Today, we are talking about New Year plans and goals for 2026. Let's begin.
It is a quiet evening. Emma and Daniel are walking together, talking softly and smiling as the lights glow around them.
Good morning, Daniel. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, Emma. How are you feeling today?
I feel calm and hopeful. A new year always feels fresh.
Yes, I feel the same. A new year feels like a new start.
We use the present tense to talk about feelings now. I feel calm. I feel hopeful.
The weather is nice today. Feels like a good day to think about the future.
Yes, it does. Have you thought about your goals for 2026?
Yes, I have. I want to make simple goals this year.
They sit on a bench nearby and enjoy the calm evening together. Tell me about your goals, Daniel.
Okay, my first goal is about my health.
That is important. What do you want to do?
I want to walk every day. Even 10 minutes is good.
That sounds easy and healthy.
Yes, I also want to drink more water.
That is a great goal. We use want to, plus verb. I want to walk. I want to drink. Daniel and Emma start walking again, feeling relaxed and happy as they move down the quiet street.
What about you, Emma? What are your goals for 2026?
I have 3 goals. They are small but meaningful.
I like that. Please tell me.
First, I want to read more books. I plan to read for 15 minutes every night.
That is a nice habit.
Second, I want to practice English every day. Even a little practice helps.
Yes, practice is very important.
We use plan to talk about future plans. I plan to read every night.
I also want to improve my English this year.
That is wonderful. How do you plan to do that?
I plan to listen to English videos every morning. I also want to speak more.
That is a great plan. Speaking helps a lot.
Yes, I am not perfect, but I am learning.
We use I am learning to show action now. Learning takes time, and that is okay.
I think small goals are better than big goals.
I agree. Big goals can feel scary.
Yes, small goals feel friendly.
For example, I want to exercise every day feels hard, but I want to walk for 10 minutes feels easy.
Exactly.
Comparative words. Better than, easier than.
I feel motivated today.
I feel motivated too. Talking about goals helps me feel positive.
Yes, it makes me believe in myself.
That is very important. We use feel plus adjective. I feel happy. I feel confident. Let's help each other this year.
That is a great idea. We can check our goals every month.
Yes, we can talk and support each other.
I like that plan.
We use can to talk about ability or ideas. We can help each other. I feel excited about 2026.
Me too. I know there will be challenges, but I am ready.
Yes, we learn step by step.
One day at a time.
Useful phrase. One day at a time. Slowly and calmly. Happy New Year, Daniel. Let's do our best.
Happy New Year, Emma. We are learning, we are growing.
They smile and look outside. A new year has begun.
Dear friends, the new year is not about being perfect. Make small goals. Speak English a little every day. Thank you for listening to Easy English Listening Practice. See you in the next lesson. Happy New Year and happy learning!